Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to contact TikTok customer support. So open TikTok application first, then tap on the three lines option at the top right corner of your profile, then go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down below and tap on report a problem. Now again, scroll down below and then you'll see the option of Chat with us. Tap on it. With that, you will be led to TikTok Help Desk. Now you can send a message to TikTok customer support. So for instance, I'm going to send this message right over here. Let's send it. With that, TikTok will be responding to you regarding your issue, and if you wish to, you can also tap on these links that are sent to you by TikTok Help Desk. You can send other messages regarding your queries and issues. So follow these easy steps and you'll be able to contact TikTok customer support. And that's it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.